YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. It's finally getting a little nicer out here in southern Ohio, so we're able to do a little more videos with the truck. I do have the truck out right now if you couldn't tell, but we are going out to one of my good buddies' house. His name's Zach. He's building a first gen. He's actually literally got the entire body off the frame, redoing everything on it, doing a little something to the 12 valve under the hood. And I don't know exactly what he's doing, but we are bringing, or we're planning to bring this truck to Daytona this year, 2020, in June. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna give a little update on his first gen. I think he put the cab on it last week, but he's still got the bed off and just a lot of things to do. So Daytona 2020 crunch, you could say, but it's about like a half-hour drive from home, and you can take like the highway and it's kind of boring, or you can take these back roads, which are just like, I don't know, they're amazing to drive, especially, oh, we're rubbing a little bit, especially in something that's fun to drive, like the Nasty Nate LBZ. Yeah, it's not fast or anything like that, but it's definitely fun to drive out here on the back roads. You gotta love it out here. This is goals. Buy a big house, a big piece of property, big barn. So stay tuned and let's get to the first gen. This is our buddy Connor's truck, new to him, 4th gen. We're about to put a water pump on it, but we are out here at Zach's brother's house for the first gen. We're gonna check it out in a minute. This thing is nasty, boys. Shoo! All right, guys, we're out here at Zach's brother's. That's Zach right there. This is his nasty first gen. I'm trying to balance on this 22 by 14 with what, 35s, 33s? 35s. They look nasty on this. They're hostile wheels. But let's talk about what's done to this 12 valve. All right, I'm gonna ask him a few questions and hopefully we can run through this. First of all, we got a P-pump on this thing. So what's done to that?
The truck started off as a 90s non-intercooled truck, so it's just the non-intercooled motor.
You're gonna leave it non-intercooled?
No,
or you got it intercooled?
It'll be intercooled.
All right.
It's got a 180 horsepower P-pump on it, 191 delivery valves. It's a set of governor springs.
4K springs.
Yep, it'll have a set of 5x16 Ducky sack injectors.
That'll be here, what, this week?
Yep, that'll be here this week.
Whew.
I got to run a set of adapter sleeves because of the fact that it's a non-intercooled head. But
oh, so the non-intercooled head is different.
yeah, I believe the non-intercooled head, they have a little bit larger either injector nozzle or just the head's a little bit different. So you got to run a 9mm to 7mm adapter sleeve to make the injectors work. But I don't know what I'm going to do for a turbo yet. Either like a 66 or 69mm. It's got a T4 steed speed manifold. Exhaust
manifold, and then the pusher intake.
Yep.
Which I've heard those are good intakes. I'm not a Cummins guy, but I have heard good things about that stuff. Yep. What's the bottom end? Is that all stock?
Everything's stock besides the fact that we took the head off and just cleaned up the head real good. Put a 60-pound valve springs in it. It's got titanium keepers and retainers.
Oh, you won't have to worry about that.
Nope.
Are all these lines powder coated? Or are those painted?
I think they're just painted.
All right.
I bought the P-pump conversion from a guy in Indiana, so I think they're just how they were.
Yeah, he's got, I don't know, some of these brackets and some of the stuff is powder coated, some of it's painted, but it's all looking super nice. The, are those valve covers? I guess separate valve covers. Those are all powdered.
Wrinkle black.
Yeah, this thing's sweet. Let me get down. This thing's what, sitting on a 4-inch lift?
Yeah, 4-inch Skyjacker soft drive leaf springs.
I can't wait to ride in that. It's gonna be sweet. It's definitely tall. Let me go around this lift, but it's like, I don't know, the rocker's almost waist high, but dude, that's how a first gen should sit. This thing's nasty. He just got the cab back from his body guy. He's got the bed going next. And what, did you get the doors and fenders and all that done?
Yeah, doors and fenders, everything's done. The only thing
So we got to slap those on.
gotta wait to get the interior. Scratch them up.
Yeah, that's true. He's got some kind of like rust. What was this, 3M or something?
Yeah, just kind of like a rust inhibitor.
Like gloss black floor. That's pretty cool. The underside of the cab is also some kind of rust inhibitor paint from 3M, I believe, but that's looking good. This thing's gonna be nasty. Zach just let me know that I forgot about the trans. This thing started as an auto truck. Why would you want that? You don't want that. So he's got some kind of nasty trans going in this. What is it?
It's the ND 5600 by Super Stick Transmissions.
Sounds expensive.
Nah.
No? Yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, that thing's gonna be nasty. He said what this has, the factory gearing in it is 307s. So it'll run good on the highway. Definitely, this thing's gonna be super fun to drive.
It's gonna make it all the way to Daytona.
Oh, it's making it to Daytona.
2021, not 2020.
20, we're working on 2020, guys.
Yeah.
We're working on it.
Balling on a welder's budget.
That should be balling then.
Nah.
Yes, it is.
It's gonna look good next to the old freaking single cab.
Dude, this thing is gonna look nasty. 2 white single cabs together on the beach. All for you guys. All for the YouTube. That's what's up.
I thought we was doing it for the gram.
Gram, YouTube, whatever it takes. All right, we're under this thing, and we got to show you how clean it is. It is literally like a brand new cab. Everything is perfect on this thing. All the body mounts.
Peep the stainless brake lines.
Peep the stainless brake lines. That's what he just said, if you couldn't hear it. Yeah, that's nasty. All new brake lines. It'll be all new fuel lines. Is that the stock sending unit?
Yeah, it's just got the air dog draw straw.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So is that a lift pump?
Yeah.
Technically?
The air dog 165.
Oh, nice. So to have the Air Dog 165, nice. Do you know how big that tank is? Oh, it might be 30. Hell yeah.
Darn near make it to Daytona's one tank.
Yeah, right. Not the way we drive.
That was in 5x16.
God. Guys, everybody throw down in the comments right now if this is the cleanest first gen you've ever seen. If not, I want to see proof. Because this is it right here. This is what you want. Everything's brand new. Huge shout out to Zach for showing us his first gen. Maybe I'll tag his Instagram or something in here, because you guys got to follow this thing. One hell of a first gen. I think that's it. Stay tuned for Zach's first gen, only on the Nasty Nate channel. You gotta hear this thing run.
This high is good, but you are good and not doing so fine without your sugar. drug of choice is you. My drug of choice is you.